Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the device care option to the app screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This useful feature allows you quick access to device maintenance tools directly from the main screen, making performance optimization and battery management easier for you. Without further delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down, locate the device care option, and tap on it. Next, you need to tap on the three dots in the upper right corner, then select Settings. Once you've done that, in this section, you'll see an option called Show Device Care on App Screen. Tap the switch next to it, and the device care icon will automatically appear on the app screen. Now, go to the app screen, and you'll see that the device care app is there among the other applications. That's all. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.